So in this video, you learn how to change the lock screen clock style on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to access the lock screen editor, and we can do this in two ways. One of them is by long pressing on the lock screen directly, like this. And then if you have a pin, password, or pattern, you'll be prompted to enter it in so that you can start editing. From there, you'll be brought to the lock screen editor. The next step is by opening the settings app on your device. And then once you've opened settings, you want to scroll and look for lock screen and AOD. And then at the bottom, you should see the option edit lock screen, tap on it. Either way, you'll be brought to the lock screen editor. From here, to change the clock style, tap on the current one that you're using. And then from here, you have the font and color. So those are the options you can choose to customize it. But because we're changing the style, you want to tap on this style option here. And then this will bring you the different styles you can apply to your lock screen clock. So you should just tap on them to view how they look like on the lock screen. If you like it, you can just tap on done. You also have the options of adding a calendar. You can choose to add an analog clock, all sorts of things. And so once you're happy with how you've customized your clock style, you can come further and change the font and color if applicable. Then once you're done, just tap on done to save the changes. And so now whenever you glance at the lock screen, you should see your brand new clock style has been successfully added. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.